Hey guys, just wanted to show you my update for Rage 4. As you can see, there's how to draw Rage's head. I got made into PDFs, and it's important that you organize your files in a way that makes sense to you. And I'm not great at that, but I'm trying to learn. I'm learning how to do better. Notice here I have the Rage Bigfoot. That's what I kind of called it. Rage Bigfoot 7, 8. These are all pages that are the old pages, and I had to redo the contrast, the blacks in these, and I'm putting them into a folder that's separate from the old files that were submitted to Kablam, and that way they're separate. I know the newest, the newest pages are in there, and I can just drag them over. And I have all the old ones here. I could put those in their own folder. I have the older covers, and just click and drag them. So when I submit them to Kablam, they're organized. I know what's got to go and what's got to be left behind, and I'll organize each file. Kablam wants their files named, like descriptions, what's on the page. Maybe I'll do a separate video on that. All this, I'm gonna go and right click here and just make a new folder, and I'll label it older submitted Rage 4 files. Alright, and then I'll throw all this stuff, the covers that I was messing around with, the different aspect ratios and the covers, I'm going to throw it all in there, organize it. It's really important as an indie artist to be organized, especially with your work that you're submitting. And so here's all the pages. 2, 3, 4. Oh, I'm missing. No, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, I'm missing a page. Yeah, I'm missing a page. So that's why I do this. So I got to put page 6 in there. And actually, I'm missing page 10. So I'll go through here, and I'll drag some of these on the desktop. And yeah, just wanted to show you an update how you should organize things. Take a look at this. Alright, these still kind of have to be, there's a zip file of what I submitted. Look at all this. That's a lot. That's like the main, these are the main files that I work with in Photoshop, and different versions of the same page. And so there's a lot that can get this, that is unorganized. And the thing is, if you put them all in one folder after the fact, you have to spend all this time looking for those files if you move them into another folder. So, it's just something to consider. Sometimes they're probably better off. You're better off leaving them out like this. But even so, even with them all, they're in a kind of order. All the 4s are together, all the 5s are together, and Rage Promo, Rage Workbook, the main comic, they're all in their own folders, except for this stuff. This is just, I need to clean this stuff up here. Alright, thanks for watching. I know, this is just an update. I know it's not the most exciting stuff to watch, but it's something to show progress, and that comics isn't just drawing. It's about wearing a lot of hats. When you're an indie guy, you have to learn the computer side of it, which is my least favorite part of it. When you're doing everything yourself, it's like being a film director by yourself. You have to be the editor by yourself, unless you can get some people to either pay them or they want to work with you or get experience, whatever. So, okay, I'll see you at the next video. Thanks for watching.